Everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and we got deal days to talk about. Yes, and you know you want to know, because I've got a secret to tell you today too. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you want to know too. And you want to know every day. And I'm going to tell you about it every day. And how do you find out? Simply hit that subscription button and that notification bell. Make sure your notifications are on all, and that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. And everybody, welcome to Jenny's house, where we strive to save you money every day and get things for $1 or less. Yeah, we're dreaming. We dream big, but we can do it, and we do it sometimes. And, to that end, let's talk deals. Okay, first off, let's talk about the deal days, November 23rd to the 25th. And we've got some really awesome sales on that we're going to look at. And then we're going to talk about, well, a sale somewhere else. Because somewhere else is going to give us a better deal this time. Now, please, while we're here, if you would leave me a comment and an emoji, it is super important. If you're new to YouTube, it is very, very important that you interact with your creators. Not just me, but everybody you watch. So if you're on their channel, please interact and leave a comment and or an emoji. Like and share the video. Please, it's so important to all of us, including you. Because that way, we can keep doing what we're doing, saving you money. And thank you very much. That's why we babble so much at the beginning, guys, to give you guys time to do this. So, thank you again for being my crazy friends. Alright, guys, let's talk about this super duper sale. Okay, we're going to go through real quick, because I want to tell you about the other one. We've got the 3 for $8 on your Dr. Pepper bottles with your A&W root beer, RC Cola, Sunkiss, big variety. You know, a few days, you're going to have company, you might need this. And then we've got the 3 for $12 final price with the coupon. It's actually 3 for $14 Mountain Dew Pepsis. And you've got a $2 coupon. And then we've got the snacks. You know, you're going to need the snacks for the sports events and that kind of stuff going on this week. So, you've got Lay's potato chips, $2.25 when you buy 4. Next up, you don't like the bottles? Well, we got 3 for $11 in the 12 packs of Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, and Sunkissed. And of course, we've got that BOGO toy sale. Look at that. BOGO, 75% off. Look for blue dot, yellow dot, or blue star on tag. Can't beat that, guys. Now, the Edie's ice cream is on sale for $4, and you've got coupons for this, and you've got some urns, I think. So you got a little bit of everything with this Edie's ice cream if you want to use that for your Thanksgiving meal. As a, you know, you got apple pie, you need ice cream. Yeah. You got your good old-fashioned chocolate cake, you need ice cream. And like I told you before, the Oreo dessert is not officially ice cream. This is ice cream. However, Oreo thing is a frozen dessert, and it's still pretty tasty. Next up, we've got that $5 appliance sale. And it literally shows the crock pot for $5, guys. Okay? Of all this stuff right here, the crock pot is it. $5, go get you 2. Okay? One for yourself, one for a gift. But for $5, can't beat it. Next up, this is a fabulous sale right here. We got the Maxwell House K-Cups. BOGO, guys. $7.95 free. Yes, $7.95 absolutely free. And of course, our 2 for $1 veggies, our 3 for $3 on our pumpkin, and $2 no, free marshmallows when you buy the yams and the brown sugar. And then, of course, we've got the craft marshmallows. If you're doing, I don't know if it specifies which marshmallows you're supposed to get or not. Then we've got, of course, buy one, get one 50% off some of your cooking utensils. And $3.70 on your Scott paper towels, guys. And why is this kind of important? Because we still have that 3 off of 15 Scott instant savings. And on top of that, the Scott TP is on sale. 2 for $8. So you could pick up 4 toilet papers and be at $16. Okay? And get your $3 in instant savings back. So don't forget, we got that Scott thing going on. But you might need some extra paper towels for your Thanksgiving meal. So there you go. But I do want to point out to you that for $1 difference, not quite $1 difference, you've got the True Living Paper Towel Essential Prints. They are just as good as the Scotts, just so you know. Now you've also got a 50% house sale event going on, and you also have an instant savings on 2 $25 gift cards if you're giving away gift cards for any reason. You also have those on sale, and 20% off your casual dining gift cards. So if you eat lunch out a lot, just picking this up can save you money. Now they have an instant savings with your Energizer batteries of $4. You also have a couple of different coupons. And you got a couple of phones on sale. So if you want to give phones for Christmas to your kids, their first phones, or just, replace some phones for the kids, you've got $14 phones with a $45 refill card. And then you've got a Samsung for $29 with an Air purchase. Next up, look at this, guys. BOGO on the Planters nuts, the cashews and mixed nuts. Great addition to your holiday snack time that you need for your sports events or just appetizers while everybody's waiting on you to get that meal ready. But these are BOGO. Buy one, get one free. And we also have an instant savings on these when you spend $10. So there you go. More bang for your buck. $3.50 on the sleep pants, guys. Regularly $5. And these things are usually $5 any place you go. But they're on sale for $3.50 right now at the DG. And we're also having a 50% off sale on the Comfort Bay throws and blankets. We have more early Christmas stuff. We've got that Original Fun Workshop or Premier Novelty Gifts that are regularly $5. They're BOGO. Buy one, get one free. So $2.50 a piece. You've got these little baby cakes, mini appliances that make these little mini cupcakes or one waffle. They're for $5 a piece. You got kids that are in dorms. You go camping, that kind of thing. This might be something that you want to pick up for them. Super sales on all their little electronic items they bring in for Christmas. One I wanted to point out to you that's great for kids. An iJoy phone projector. Yeah, $6. I'm pretty sure the picture's probably not that great. That's why I said it'd be great for the kids to play around with for $6. And a great way for them to not have to watch their little videos on that tiny screen. And you got instant savings of $10 on a variety of gift cards, guys. Okay, so I'm just saying. And 20% off multi-packs of your gift cards. This is a time that you want to go do this shopping at Dollar General because they're laying out a little bit of everything. If you need command hooks for hanging up your decorations, they're BOGO. Buy one, get one free. And look at this. I thought the coffee last week for Dunkin' Donuts was cheap. It's even cheaper this week. $5.95 right now. Dunkin' Donuts and McCaff. And you got a $1 digital coupon on 2. Or a $2 digital coupon on 1 Dunkin' Donuts. And another awesome deal, guys, because we got urns on this Iams dog food. And the Iams dog food is buy one, get one free. So you're going to get 2 for $10, and then you're going to get $3 in urns. Yeah, $3 in urns for both of these. So you're going to get $6 back on a $10 purchase. So you're going to get 2 Iams. Oh my gosh. This is an awesome, awesome sale, guys. Okay, I'm going to point something out about this Comfort Bay. We've got the special Thanksgiving sale. It starts on the 23rd. And that is buy one, get one free on your Comfort Bay throws and blankets. Now we're having our regular sale, BOGO, buy one, get one 50% off. How do you think this is going to glitch? I bet it's going to glitch in some way, form, or fashion. Okay, y'all remember a few years back when they glitched so bad, everybody was going in and getting the $30 blankets for $5. So let's keep an eye on this one, guys. If anybody's out there going to pick up any of these throws or blankets, and you pick up 2, let me know what your pricing is. Please, email is below in the description box. Though all these deals are awesome, guys. And we've even got a sale on the Purina dog food for $8, and you got a $2 coupon for that Purina 1 dog food. So, yeah. And that's a regular sale, by the way. All these deals are super good. But I'm going to show you a place that's also giving you some super good deals. Plus, they're giving you an extra 5 off 25 this week to use as a Thanksgiving Day gift. And I'm talking about Family Dollar. They are giving you an extra 5 off 25 to use from November 19th to the 23rd. Okay? So if you didn't know about that, go clip it and get ready to go. And you've got your regular 5 off of 25. But you've also got, and I've never really seen this at the Family Dollar before, you also have a 5 off of 25 Gain digital coupon, smart coupon. And they're specific on theirs. You've got to purchase 2 forms of detergent, bead, softener, 2 different things. And of course, they have a variety of coupons, just like our store does. We also have the buy one, get one little bountiful dog foods that we just got doing at the Dollar General. We also have a 5 off of 15 Purex and Snuggle, okay, deal over there at the Family Dollar, like we do with their Purex and the All and the Percale normally. Well, we've got something similar to that over here. But more importantly, for me, and any of you who's looking for some Coke products, because Dollar General has not got them on sale, and they're not going to be on sale again this week, I don't believe. Well, they're on sale at the Family Dollar, okay? And you have a $2 off coupon. And I believe they are 3 for 14. We'll check that out in just a minute. You also have a 3 off of Ben & Jerry's, Breyers, Magnum, Klondike's when you spend $10. Well, two packs of Klondike's is right up there to be right at $10. And they sell the individual Klondike's as well. So, yeah, $3 off, guys. You also have the similar Purina coupons. You have $1.60 off here for the Dixie plates. And we've got similar, like I said, we just have so many similar coupons. But they're offering us that extra 5 off this week. So if you want to skip over to the Family Dollar and save you a little bit more money, well, I would do so. Particularly if you're looking to get Coke products. So there you go, guys. If you need some of these food items and stuff for your meal, and you want to save that extra $5, well, you can do so at the Family Dollar. You don't have to wait until Saturday. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon. And again, happy Thanksgiving, just in case I miss you before the holiday. And I'll see you real soon, because you know we're always looking for the best deals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information for you. And if you don't get your daily notifications, guys, you just come to the channel and check it out, because it'll be there waiting on you.